Worried about unstable mineral processing recovery rates? ZOOMJO Group is your solution. We guarantee to maximize the value from every ton of your ore. Utilizing advanced, full-scale carbon and pulp (CIP) technology tailored for local conditions, we ensure industry-leading recovery rates through precise leaching control and highly efficient carbon absorption. From raw ore to gold bar, our data-driven management and relentless operational excellence guarantee an efficient, stable, and reliable production process. Choosing ZOOMJO Group isn't just selecting a service. You are gaining a local partner committed to your long-term, stable output. Please visit our website now to get a free, customized solution and benefit assessment report.